Hey, Dad, we would like you to come over here and see something real quick.
Give Courtney on the...
Dad, we would like you to come over here and see something really fast. Walk around behind the truck, please.
That's nice.
Happy,
When did you get that?
early Christmas from all of us.
Oh, that's for me.
This is your new bike.
This is your present for the next year.
Oh my gosh.
We see you riding around that old junky one, so we wanted to make sure you have a brand new one.
Oh my goodness.
When you ride 100 miles that you can actually make it. That you buy it and make it.
It's from Lewis and Clark, and they do free lifetime tune-ups on it, and it has like a 30-day. If you want something different, they'll trade you out. And, yeah.
Oh my
And you ride by Lewis and Clark a lot.
Yep.
So you can just take it by for your tune-ups.
Oh wow.
So Ryan is on.
Yeah.
Ryan and Courtney and Mac
Yeah,
are
here,
all. And Grandma and Grandpa gave money.
They can see,
Hey!
they can see you now, guys.
Wow. Thanks, guys. That is awesome. Oh my. What?
Happy birthday.
Okay. Yeah, I was talking to Matt Carpenter, and he averages like 20 miles an hour. He rides all the time. And I said, you know what? I bet your bike, all the gears work on your bike. And he looks over real and he goes, yeah, all the gears work. Wow, this is awesome. This is featherweight.
Yeah,
Look at
it's
that.
super light. I loaded it in my car by myself. It's really
Yeah.
light.
Very dirty.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It's pretty, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
For sure.
Happy
Wow.
Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day and
birthday.
birthday and Christmas.
Christmas for the next 3 years.
We all pitched.
Yeah.
We all pitched in a lot for you.
Yeah, I bet you did. I know what these things run. Wow. Oh my goodness. Thank y'all so much.